Since its debut in India back in 2020 with the iQOO 3, the brand has exclusively relied on online sales via its official website and Amazon India. But now, iQOO is ready for its next big move. According to a Gadgets 360 report, iQOO will soon be making its way into India's offline retail market, and it could be happening as early as next month. What does this mean for Indian consumers? Offline presence. iQOO is reportedly partnering with Vivo exclusive stores and other retail channels, allowing customers to experience iQOO phones hands-on before purchasing. This is a big shift, as up until now, iQOO has been strictly an online-only brand in India. Retail experience. Finally, Indian consumers will be able to test out iQOO devices, check out their features, and get a feel for the build quality, something that hasn't been possible for those who prefer traditional shopping. iQOO 13 launch on December 3rd. In addition to the offline expansion news, iQOO 13 is expected to make its debut at an Indian launch event on December 3rd. Here's what we know about the iQOO 13 for India. Specs: the Indian variant will share most of its features with the Chinese version, but with a couple of changes. Battery: the Indian model will feature a 6,000 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the Chinese version's 6,150 mAh. Software: it will run FunTouch OS instead of Originos. Color options: expect two stunning colors, Legend and Nardo Gray. What's next? With the iQOO 13 set to launch soon and the offline retail strategy kicking off, iQOO is clearly setting up for a bigger presence in India. This could also pave the way for even more exciting launches and a wider audience reach. What do you think about iQOO going offline in India? Are you excited to experience their devices in person? Let us know in the comments.